For question 10, Ali has saved up and bought herself a car. Very, very exciting. She paid an amount I don't know. She spent 2 years with the car and it's decreased in value quite a lot, losing a quarter in the first year, 19%, or just under a quarter in the first year, 19% in the second year, and suddenly she's sat with something worth a lot less. We've been asked to find what the value was she bought the car for before it kind of lost all its value. So I'm going to think of it in terms of a story. She bought a car at X. I don't know how much that is. It decreased by 23%. So it started at 100% of its value. I'm going to take away 23%, and that's going to give me 77%. So we need to find 77% of X. So I'm going to times it by 0.77. Next, she's then lost 19% of that value, so that's why I put it in the brackets. So we're going to do from 100% of the new value, take away the 19, we're going to get 81%. So we've got to find 81% of that value, so we're going to times it by 0.81. If I now want to work backwards, well, I know after all of this, it's worth that. So I'm going to take that answer and I'm going to do the inverse. So I'm going to divide by 0.81, divide by 0.81, and that's going to cancel that out, and I'll be left with that 13,475 is equal to x times by 0.77. So I'm now going to do the opposite again. I'm going to divide by 0.77, divide by 0.77, and that is going to give me x is equal to 17,500. And you can see what a nightmare she's had. She's lost over £6,000 on that car in just the 2 years.